Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. It's almost Christmas time, so we need to start building some Christmas trees. Now this year's design looks a lot similar to all the other versions, but this one can hold a candle in the center, an LED candle. All measurements for the Christmas tree are mentioned here below, and if you want some work drawings to bring to the workshop, there's also a link for my SD page here below. Now I've already pre-cut all my pieces. These are 64 by 19 mil. Or 2.5 inch by 3/4 of an inch. There are 3 angles on this Christmas tree, a 15 degree, 30 degree and a 45 degree. Now I've cut all of these pieces with a 45 degree angle at both ends. And then I'll move on from there with the 2 other angles. So let's fire up the circular saw and make some cuts. Oh, and again, all the different angles and the length are mentioned here below. Oh yeah, and hit that subscribe button, that really helps me out. Alright you guys, I'm just going to show you real quick how to cut the centerpiece. It measures 64 by 64 millimeters or 2.5 by 2.5 inches. For the center part of the Christmas tree, I want to add a LED candle and I want to countersink it down into the wood. So I'm using a 40mm drill bit for this, but I just need to find the center. There we go. And I'll use one of these to make a small hole. Perfect. Now for the assembly, I'm not going to use any nails. So I've made this simple jig. This fits right in here. And I've got 15 degrees. I'll take these two and I'll glue them on with Titebond 2 and some CA glue. There we go, first step done. And for these two, both sides, I made a really simple jig again, so I get the exact same overlap every single time, which is 1 inch or 25 mil. And for the top part, I'll use this as a base, like this, and glue them again. Next step is to glue on the 2 sides. Right, onto the final gluing. No CA glue for this, just some Titebond and some clamps. The gluing is done, and all we need now is just to give it a good sand, and then we're on to the surface treatment. Here we go. Now, in regards to surface treatment, there are many ways to go. You can paint them, oil them, or even varnish them. But I do prefer a natural look, so I'll give it a clear coat of oil. And we're done. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my small channel. Oh, before I forget, we can add the light. Now, doesn't that look good? Merry Christmas to you all.